Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. 101 lecture it is. 101 lecture. Topic is factors responsible for CEO failure. Effective leadership is of paramount importance in today's competitive global environment. Effective leadership is required in today's global environment. CEO can't be allowed to continue without showing results. CEO of a company, Chief Executive Officer of a company will not be allowed to continue in job if he doesn't show up any results in the company, progress in the company. Leadership approach has changed from the concept of autocratic approach to participative approach. Today, the leadership approach is autocratic approach to participative approach. Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Ajim Premji, Ratan Tata, Mukesh Ambani, Tim Cook are some of the business leaders I mentioned. Let us see. Their leadership styles are different. CEO shapes the work environment. He crafts the visions for the company. He ensures that all resource allocation is done according to strategic priorities. He spends considerable time in developing the leaders for tomorrow. He himself monitors the implementation of strategies. A man who successfully marshals his human collaboration to achieve particular end is a leader. Management is doing things right. Leadership is doing the right things. Factors for CEO failure. 1. Size of the company. Board of directors make a blunder when they appoint a CEO of a large company in small company under the impression that if a person is able to run a large company, he can manage a small company, which is not right. CEO can manage a bigger company, he can't manage a smaller company. But board of directors, they appoint large company CEO to a small company, then that's a failure. He can't manage a small company. Scenario is quite different in large companies. Number 2, stage of company. Right type of CEO has to be selected as per the stage of the company. Every expert doctor can't cure each part of the body. A company in its infancy stage requires a visionary leader and an entrepreneur. Company in its growth stage requires an aggressive leader who focuses on market share. Company in its maturity stage requires CEO who is capable for new market entry. 3. Inability to fix people problem in time. Motto of CEO should be quality HR first, strategy next. 4. Bad execution of good strategy. 5. Lack of freedom. 6. Inability to take tough decisions. 7. Inability to keep up with the changing environment. 8. Lack of effective leadership. EI, emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the sine qua non of leadership. Every leadership should have EI, emotional intelligence. Points for effective CEO. You should have integrity, maturity and energy, curiosity, intellectual capacity and a global mindset. You must have superior judgment. You must have powerful motivation. You must have people acumen. A stitch in time could avoid pitfalls. What we say, a stitch in time saves 9. A stitch in time avoid pitfalls. Before closing the lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.
Bye.